These are my most used accessories with Galaxy S25 Ultra. First one is the Ugreen power bank. This is a massive 25,000 mAh power bank that supports super fast charging. It goes up to 140 watts from a single USB Type-C port. That is enough to power a MacBook Pro. And you can charge your phone at the same time too. Galaxy S25 Ultra works perfectly fine with this power bank. Super fast charging works and it charges my phone in about an hour. Also, you can see the power output right here when the phone is being charged. With 25,000 mAh, you can charge your Galaxy S25 Ultra 3 to 4 times without charging this power bank again. It has two USB Type-C ports that support fast charging and they can go up to 140 watts per port. That TFT display on the front shows remaining charge time, power bank's battery percentage, and output or input power. The smart power bank is airline approved, so no need to worry about putting it in your bag. This power bank is under the safety limit of 90 watt-hour. Right now this power bank is discounted in the UAE, so check it out from the link down in description. Next, my favorite product from Ugreen is this ANC headphone that I'm using with my Galaxy S25 Ultra. It features LDAC audio decoding with dual high-res wired and wireless certification. That means you will get lossless audio quality from these headphones. The build quality isn't bad too. Foam is really soft and it doesn't bother us at all. You can also change the size of these headphones and it's lightweight at just around 260 to 270 grams. It also features active noise cancellation, and when I compared it with my Sony headphones, the Sony ones are still the best one out there when it comes to ANC, but this Ugreen one is also kinda nice. So overall it has that premium feel and design that you are getting in an amazing price. Its link will be down in description. So these are my two most used accessories that I use with my Galaxy S25 Ultra these days. If I had to pick one, I'll go with this power bank. This is an absolute game changer of a power bank. Do check them out and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.